Greetings from Heartcare Foundation of India. It's monsoon all over the country, and in monsoon we see one electrical death practically every day. And this electrical death can occur specifically in those cities and in villages where earthing is not proper. If the earthing is not, earthing means a green wire. If you have a 2-pin plug and 2 electrical wire plug, that means earthing is not there. If it is a 3-pin plug, then you must ensure that the 3rd pin is having attachment to the green wire. The green wire means earth, the black means neutral, and the red means the live wire. The electricity can come with the live and the neutral wire, but the electricity can also come from the live with a earthing wire. So never use earthing wire as a neutral wire to bring the light on. If that happens, the earthing will not be proper, and if there is an electrical leakage because of 220 voltage alternating current, you can absolutely get electrocuted. Remember, if there is a case of electrocution, what should we do? Remember the formula of 10. Within 10 minutes of death, for the next 10 minutes, at a speed of 10 into 10, 100 per minute, compress the chest and go on doing it for the next 10 minutes. Of course, you have to disconnect the electricity before you start the procedure, otherwise you will also get electrocuted. So the take-home message is that make sure that your electricity has a earthing wire, the green wire. If it is not there, don't use the appliances. Unfortunately, in our country, many appliances are 2-pin plug. The earthing wire is not there. In that case, make sure there is no water source nearby the electrical appliances. Specifically, don't use geyser. When the geyser is on, don't use the water. Make sure that when you are doing a hair dryer, make sure that there is no water leakage anywhere or the appliances is not water soaked. Thank you. Stay tuned. See you tomorrow.